I will show you how to replace the main control board. The tools we need are cross screwdrivers, 3mm hex wrench, anti-static gloves. Firstly, power off the device. Using a 3mm hex wrench, remove the 5 screws of the cover. Then remove the cover. Before replacing the main control board, it is recommended take a picture of all the wires of the main board. After taking a picture, we can start unplugging all the cables. Remove for fixing screws using a 3mm hex wrench. Remove the main control board. Replace with a new motherboard. Then install the fixing screws. Reinstall all the wires according to the picture taken earlier. Ensure all wires are securely installed. Replacement completed. After replacement, reinstall the right cover. After tightening the screws, the replacement of the main board is completed.